Starting around 30 July 2023, a share vastness for the most part is exchanging at $6.18 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in especially most recent 60 minutes. Axie for the most part has an extremely complete market cap of $867,949,843, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $71,711,925, showing that Axie in a real sense has a fundamentally all-out market cap of $867,949,843, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $71,711,925 in an unpretentious manner. This in every practical sense makes a share boundlessness, Axie in every way that really matters, positioning at 45 in the digital money market. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the share limitlessness cost forecast finish of 2023. What will a share endlessness really be by and large worth in 2023? Which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Is a share boundlessness a fundamentally wise speculation or really worth purchasing in 2023? Which basically is genuinely critical. Will Axie cost in a real sense outperform its record-breaking high? Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. These in every way that really matters are our share limitlessness cost expectations for Axie's future, which in every way that really matters is very huge. A share limitlessness, Axie value expectation 2023. As per the share boundlessness estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Axie cost especially is supposed to in a real sense cross an especially normal value level of $7.29. The normal sort of least value worth of a share vastness toward the finish of the genuinely current year ought to essentially be $7.04. Sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Besides, Axie can really arrive at a truly greatest value level of $8.07. A share vastness, Axie value expectation July 2023. With respect to July 2023, a share boundlessness cost basically is conjecture to generally arrive at a flat-out most minimal cost of $5.86, or so they thought. The Axie cost could arrive at a very most extreme cost of $6.59, with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $6.41 in an in every practical sense, significant way. A share boundlessness, Axie value expectation August 2023. The cost for a share limitlessness in August 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $6.30 and $6.91 in an unpretentious manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to in a real sense be around $6.60 in an especially significant manner. A share boundlessness, Axie value gauge September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of a share endlessness sort of is really anticipated to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense normal cost of $6.73, while the coin could exchange between an extremely limit of $7.24 and a fundamentally least of $6.43, showing that a share vastness, Axie value estimate September 2023. For September 2023, the cost of a share limitlessness explicitly is fundamentally anticipated to basically arrive at an essentially normal cost of $6.73, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $7.24 and a genuinely least of $6.43, essentially in opposition to prevalent thinking. A share endlessness, Axie value expectation October 2023. With respect to October 2023, a share limitlessness cost explicitly is conjecture to arrive at and in every way that really matters, least cost of $6.69, or so they generally thought. The Axie cost could for the most part arrive at and in every practical sense, greatest cost of $7.51, with the truly normal expected cost around $6.93, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. A share vastness value expectation November 2023. A share limitlessness cost for the most part is supposed to fundamentally reach between $6.83 to $7.79 in November 2023, while the in every way that really matters normal cost of Axie for the November essentially remains around $7.07. Axie value conjecture December 2023. With respect to December 2023, a share boundlessness certainly is supposed to in a real sense arrive at a truly least value worth of $7.04, So while the sort of typical exchanging cost ought to explicitly be around $6.60 in a by and large huge manner, the Axie's cost could arrive at a truly greatest cost of $8.07, with the very normal cost around $7.29. A share limitlessness, genuinely past value examination and the in every way that really matters, recent hours, the crypto essentially has been generally diminished by 1.43% in its ongoing worth, exhibiting how in a real sense is a share vastness, a sort of wise speculation, or by and large worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we generally look at the kind of current market cap of the Axies with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap certainly is likewise down, which demonstrates the way that the Axie's cost could really arrive at a most extreme cost of $7.51, with the typical expected cost around $6.93, in an especially huge manner. A share endlessness generally is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with really other crypto coins, pretty further appearance how this for the most part makes a share limitlessness, Axies, especially positioning at 45 in the digital money market in a significant way. The Axies generally is down to nearly 4.23%. In the kind of most recent 7 days in an especially large manner, the coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for pretty past kind of couple of days. The coin could especially have serious areas of strength for truly yet. We don't sort of figure that it would a productive resource in genuinely present moment, showing how starting around 30 July 2023 a share vastness for the most part is exchanging at $6.18 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.22% in especially most recent 60 minutes, which truly is genuinely critical. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Axie certainly diminished by 34.270%, taking out an incredible certainly normal amount of $3.22 from its by and large current worth, exceptionally further appearance. How a share limitlessness, Axie's value expectation 2023, as per the share vastness conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Axie's value sort of is supposed to fundamentally cross a kind of normal value level of $7.29. The normal genuinely least value worth of a share boundlessness, toward the finish of the especially current year, ought to be $7.04. Or so they in every way that really matters thought. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin sort of is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be a decent in a real sense purchase an open door for truly speedy interest in an in every practical sense, large way. The 90 days cost change especially is near 47.34%. And the cost generally flowed from a base exceptionally normal cost of $10.80 to extremely greatest really normal cost of $12.